Imagine stepping out with skin that shines and glows. Today, we reveal the ultimate Brazilian waxing secrets. Welcome to Radiance Edition. We share the best beauty tips, self-care routines, and wellness hacks. Our mission? To empower women everywhere. Brazilian waxing does more than just give you smooth skin. It helps you feel confident in every outfit you wear. Preparation is essential for the best results. Start by exfoliating gently 24 hours before your session. Avoid using lotions or oils on your skin as well. Not all waxes are the same. If you have sensitive skin, choose a hypoallergenic hard wax. If you're experienced, a soft wax might work better for you. Post-wax care can elevate your experience. Apply a soothing cooling gel right after waxing. Remember to avoid tight clothing for added comfort. Exfoliate gently after 48 hours to keep skin looking great. Consistency is the real secret to success. Aim to wax every 4 to 6 weeks for the best maintenance. Moisturize daily and keep your skin healthy with proper hydration and balanced nutrition. Luxury and confidence are within your reach. Try these Brazilian waxing tips today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty secrets.